Hello everyone, this is Ekta Kapoor and today on Housey, we are going to be doing the project overview of Kolte Patil Ecos, which is located in the Kolte Patil Life Republic Township in Marunji, Panavale, developed by Kolte Patil developers. In today's video, we will be talking about the project overview. I will tell you about the location, the amenities and also the configurations and the booking process, all the other details that you need to know. So stay tuned for all the details. As you can see, I am standing right outside the sales office and this is where the project is actually located. Before we move ahead, let me tell you a little more about Housey. Housey is India's #1 online real estate platform जहाँ पे आपको कनेक्ट किया जाता है सीधे डेवलपर के साथ. Unlike other real estate platforms जहाँ पर जब आप करते हैं इंक्वायरी, your number is shared with multiple brokers और आपको आते हैं multiple calls. Housey पर ऐसा नहीं होता है. यहाँ पर हम आपको information provide करते हैं, आपको बिल्डर के साथ directly contact करवाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से आपको best prices मिलते हैं, best available offers मिलते हैं and you stay aware of all the details that you need to know. So book your dream home through Housey. Home buying simplified. Let's now start with the project overview. The property is going to be constructed on a 5.89 acre land parcel out of the 400 acres of land parcel inside the Kolte Patil township. Now these are going to be 5 towers that are going to be launched, which will have ground plus 12, 22 and 35 floors of premium 2 and 2.5 BHK residences. Talking about the location, the project is located at Marunji. As you can see, this is the sales office and this right over here, Kolte Patil Life Republic Township Road to the sales office. Now, as I told you, the project is located at New Marunji Road in Panavale. And talking about connectivity, the project is very well connected to the Hinjewadi Road. From here, the Marunji Road is just about 1.8 kilometers and the Sai Balaji International Institute is just about 2.7 kilometers from this location. Moving ahead with the amenities, the project boasts of 40 plus lifestyle amenities in the likes of swimming pool, multi-purpose court, kids play area, jogging track and a much more healthier life with all of these amenities. Let's now talk about the configurations. The project has two different kind of variants, the 2 BHK and the 2.5 BHK. The 2 BHK is of approximately 837 square feet and the 2.5 BHK is of approximately 963 square feet. Now, let me tell you a little more about the booking process and then our salesperson will help you visit the office, will take you around the complete township, help you do a location tour and then also show you the sample flat, tell you all the details that you need to know, help you with the booking process and also help you with the loan process if you need. Well, isn't this exactly what home buying should be? Simplified with Housey. If you have liked the project and you want to express your interest in this property, all you have to do is contact us. The bookings have already begun and you can express your interest by taking two different types of tokens that they have. One is the 1 lakh token in which you can get the pre-launch benefits and the second one is the 3 lakhs token in which you can avail all the benefits and also select your unit. So everyone, this was the project overview of Kolte Patil Ecos, which is located at the Kolte Patil Life Republic Township, which is in Panavale, Marunji Road. Stay tuned to more such videos and do not forget to like, comment and share this video. Thank you.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.